afternoon, good night, depending on where you are from in the world. Hello, hello. Hey Nate, how are you, my friend? Hello, hello, my friends. I'm gonna be back for longer. This is a quick live just to say hello. Don't forget to hit the follow button if you want to join the community. So I'm Annie, I'm a mindset coach, and I do free coaching sessions every day at 2 p.m. Eastern time. Now it's almost 12 p.m. So in 2 hours and 10 minutes, I'm gonna come back and do a full coaching sessions. So it's really easy. You just need to follow me to receive my guidance. I do this every day at 2 p.m. It's our little rendezvous. It's a little meeting every single day. And thank you, Walter, for following. So you just need to hit the follow button. You come at 2 p.m. and you ask your questions down below. That's as easy as it gets. Love your nails. Thank you. Oh, I forgot to put my wedding ring. Thanks for telling me about my nails. That make me realize that I'm gonna also grab Gucci. So I have 2 dogs. If you're a dog person, you're gonna see my dogs in my lives. They're just the best dogs ever. Hi everybody, thank you for sharing my life. Thanks for following. Thanks for hitting the follow button, the share button. I'm from Scotland. Hello, hello. I'm gonna grab my ring and my dog. One of my dogs. What are you doing? What are you doing here again? What's this? What's this? Sorry, you guys. Hello from Hawaii. Hello. They just have a razors thing. Where are the razors? Have you? They always steal the razors. I don't know why. I don't know where they took that from. Just trying to find out. Oh my God, those dogs. Gucci, you come with me. You come with mommy. Come with mommy. Yes. Yes. Gucci. Okay. Hello from Hawaii. Hello everybody, how are you doing? Hello, hello. Thanks for being here. Thanks for joining the community. I'm gonna come here. Put the dumbbell. I have to put a dumbbell in my door because my golden doodle can open the door. You know, mom's problems. Your hair is so good. Thank you. Hey from Texas. Hello, hello. How are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Tell me, who's new here? If you're new here, let me know. If I just popped on your For You page, drop me FYP in the comments and tell me, is this my live that popped, or you were watching one of my videos and you've seen that I was live, so you decided to see. I always want to know, so can you tell me, please, everybody? Hello from French Polynesia, Bora Bora, hello, hello. This live popped. Okay, thanks for letting me know. Hey, Andrea, how are you, my love? How are you? We're almost ready. Hey, Kimmy. I'm going to be here for 2 more minutes. So make sure that you hit the follow button if you want to be here for our 2 p.m. Eastern Time live free coaching session with a mindset coach, aka me. All right, this live popped. Okay, thank you for letting me know. Hey besties, how are you? Thank you, CJ, for following. Thank you, user92, for following. I really appreciate. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I just need to do my lips, and we good. Gucci. What state are you in? I'm in Florida, so I'm gonna show you my office view. There you go. I'm in Florida. Where are you from? Tell me down below. Tell me which state or which country. I am from Canada, originally. Montreal, the French part. My first language is French. You probably heard that. All right, and we are ready. Bab, we did it. We got ready in 10 minutes. Well done, well done. Couldn't put my lashes like that even in 2 hours. Don't say that. Hi from Romania, hello. How do you not let the bad day come? I don't let them. You know, our human brain tends to label things as good or bad, but there's no right and no wrong. You can always choose to be happy. You can always choose to see the good in everything. And when you decide consciously to see life like that, your life changes completely. So on that note, I'm gonna give some food to Miss Gucci. Hello from New Mexico. Hello, everybody. So if you want more advice like this one about happiness, about mindset, about building your self-confidence, about relationships, anything like that, feel free to hit that follow button and come back at 2 p.m. Eastern Time in 2 hours. I'm going to go do my meetings with my clients now, and I'll see you in 2 hours. So thanks for joining the family, and I'll see you right then. Bye, everybody. Thank you so much.